Alright guys, so mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. You get my point here. So you can decide to sit or you can decide to stand. What you really need here is your eyes. You get my point. So you can stay at the camera and so when you are done, you do as if a surprise, a shock, just like what you see me do, like you are rebuking something. Let me use my language so you understand very well. So when you are done with all this, you can now save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Now on CapCut, you click on new project and import the video you just recorded. So look at the video here. So you don't even need an empty background for this video. So what we are going to do right here is click on this sound icon right by the side here. Just tap on it so that you can off the sound, like the background noise, understand? So you can do that, or you can go to volume and then reduce the volume. It's still the same thing. You get my point? Now tap on the video layer where you want the video to start. Click on split, then delete the beginning of the video, just like what you see here on screen. Go on. So now, as you can see, we need the eyes, just like as I'm staring at the camera. So from this particular point you start staring at the camera is where you will need to go and look for freeze. You get my point? So I want my own to start from here. I want to freeze from this particular part. So go and look for freeze. Let's go and look for freeze. So click on freeze. So that particular layer, that particular part is frozen now, so it will remain like that. So you don't need to delete the ending part of this video, understand? We are going to work on that one also, but meanwhile just click on the layer, go and look for overlay. Now click on overlay. It's going to come down. Just shift it. Just hold the tap on the video layer, hold it, then shift it away from the main video. Now you can come back to this particular part. Now the frozen layer is what you're going to tap on it, then add keyframe at the beginning of the frozen layer. So now you need to zoom. Just place 2 fingers on your screen to zoom the video. Just zoom it. Zoom. Oh, I'm sorry for the short break, guys. So guys, if you are trying to grow your YouTube channels, you've not been getting views, you've not been getting subscribers, and you are here watching my videos, guys, I just created a channel. So I will be sharing my secrets on that channel, how I got my subscribers, how I got my views, how I'm getting engagement on my channel. So you have to go there. The channel link is in the description of this video. If you really want to grow on this YouTube space, please go there and subscribe and watch the video. Turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I drop a video right on that channel. So look at the channel picture here so you can go there. You won't make mistake. So see you there. Alright, let's continue. Just zoom into your eyes. Understand? Just zoom into your eyes. Just make sure you zoom to get to the pupil. You get my point? You get to the pupil. How did they call them? I mean a pupil or people. Just zoom into the pupil. Something like this. As you can see that black circle there, that's what I'm talking about. So you can leave it right there. So you just move a bit. Now see this thing that look like telephone, that's graph. You just click on graph. Now click on ease in, tap on ease in. When you click on ease in, it's going to make the keyframe smooth. It's going to make the keyframe go smoothly. So let's see how it's going to be right here. So that is number 1 step. If you are able to get to this step, just let me know in the comments I've gotten number 1 step. Now click on overlay, click on add overlay and import the video you want to use for this transition. So look at my video here, I just brought it in. So if you want to know how to edit this video, the tutorial is in the description of this particular video. You get my point? So you can go there and watch how I did it. Understand? So now what you need to do in this particular one is that at this point you brought in a video here. You have to tap on this video layer as it is. Now go and look for mask. Please pay attention, follow it step by step so you won't make mistake. Now click on mask. Allow it to load. Turn on your data. Click on circle. So this is how it's going to be. So you reduce it, make it small. Just use these arrows by the side to adjust it. Just make it smaller here, so you can drag it, just move it to where your eye is. You can decide to use either your left eye or your right eye. You get my point? So guys, if you are coming across my video for the first time, guys, please like and share this video, comment and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop another amazing video editing tutorial. You get my point? Now when you are done with the adjustment, you click on OK. Now go and look for animation. Where is animation? Where is this guy now? Look at it here. Click on animation. Now click on fade in. Look at fade in here. Just click on fade in. So it will be something like this. Just tap on OK and then get out of this particular page. So to see how it's going to be. Now the essence of you applying that fading animation is so that the overlaid video will not just jump in immediately. It will be as if as you are zooming in, the overlaid video is trying to reveal itself. And please make sure you need to use a landscape video for the overlay. Understand? You need to use a landscape video for the overlay. If you go and use a portrait video, you will not get a good result. So for those of you that don't watch video to the end, understand you are making a very big mistake. So now add keyframe at the beginning of the overlaid video, that's the second layer. Now you will have to move the video a bit. Now as you are moving the video, the first layer will be zooming in, like it will be zooming into the eyes. So from here you will have to increase the size of the second layer, but please don't make it bigger than the size of the eyes. Just increase it a little. You get my point? So as you are moving the video a bit, as the first layer is zooming in, you keep on increasing the size of the video as the mask video. That's the second layer video. I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about. You should get my point. So as you are doing this, keyframe will be added automatically. You don't need to touch the keyframe again at this point. So that's how you are gonna do till you expand the second layer and make it cover the whole screen. Understand? Just like what you see on your screen right now. So I have to fast forward this video so I won't make the video too long. So from here we want to work on the ending part of the first layer, but just watch the way this thing goes. So look at it here. I believe you like what you see. So now the ending part of the first layer, we need to tap on this particular layer here, then drag it. Alright, on this particular layer you're seeing right here, we have to split and delete some unwanted parts here. So this part here, you tap on the video layer here, tap on split, then delete the beginning of that part because we need it to join with the other layer, so that it will be like when after the character saw those things, so it will come back to himself and then the shot will match, will align. So that's just it, guys. So when you are done with all this, you can now save your video to your gallery. Just import your video and you are good to go. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and like this video, share this video, comment on this video. If you have any question, just ask me. I'll be able to answer you. You get my point? So see you in our next video.